Hi everyone. Welcome back to Marin English Lab. I'm Mia.
And I'm Leo. Today, we're taking on a big challenge: 30 phrasal verbs for your daily life in just one story.
Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. Let's follow a typical day of Leo and me. Watch closely.
My alarm goes off at 6 a.m. I wake up, but I don't get up immediately.
Me neither. I turn off the alarm and stay in bed for 5 minutes. Then I put on my workout clothes.
I usually look for my glasses first. Then I pick up my phone to check the news.
After breakfast, I get dressed and go out to catch the bus.
I have to drop off my son at school first. Then I hurry up so I'm not late.
Oh, wait. Don't forget to turn off the lights before you leave.
At work, I log into my computer and set up my workspace.
I have to look up some information for the new project and fill in these forms.
Can you deal with this client? I need to carry on with my report.
Sure. But we've run out of printer paper. I'll go get some.
My car broke down yesterday, so I have to call back the mechanic.
That's too bad. Anyway, do you want to meet up with the team after work?
I'd love to. We can hang out at the new cafe. I get along with everyone in the office.
Great. I'll bring up the idea in the meeting. I look forward to it.
When I come back home, I'm exhausted. I take off my shoes and relax.
I usually clean up the kitchen and throw away any trash before going to sleep.
A long day, but we learn so much.
Wow, 30 phrasal verbs. Let's group them so you can remember easily.
Morning, go off, wake up, get up, turn off, put on, look for, pick up. Moving, get dressed, go out, drop off, hurry up. Work, log in, set up, look up, fill in, deal with, carry on.
And the rest. Social and problems, run out of, break down, call back, meet up, hang out, get along with, bring up, look forward to. Nighttime, come back, take off, clean up, throw away.
That was a lot of information. The best way to learn is to practice.
Choose 3 phrasal verbs from our list and write a sentence in the comments. We will check them for you.
Thanks for watching Marin English Lab.
Don't forget to subscribe for more B1 English lessons. Goodbye.